Hey YouTube, so today I'm gonna be pranking my stepmom. She is getting, she's got out the shower, and I did the baby powder prank when she got out the shower too. And this is a perfect opportunity because I don't know if y'all saw her or not, but she pretty much put ketchup. She put ketchup everywhere on me, and she's got out the shower, so I'm gonna be putting baby powder in her hair dryer. So I'm gonna set up the camera, and she got out a while ago, and I'm just gonna go set up the camera somewhere, and then she's gonna start her blow dryer because we have to go to church tonight. So when we go to church, she's gonna be blow drying her hair, and it's gonna get everywhere. So guys, okay, so I got the blow dryer and I got the baby powder, and right now she's in the kitchen doing something. I think she's fixing my sister's bottle. Okay, there. Okay, that should be enough. I'm gonna wipe off this up. Alright, so hey, I had to set up the camera. Okay guys, so I got the camera set up. It's behind a bunch of stuff, a bunch of hairspray and stuff. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna say that we're about to leave. Okay. I'm just gonna say how to use her hairbrush or something. I'm just gonna be like, hey, I came in here because of this. Okay. Alright guys, I'm just gonna get it. Hey Maria, can I use your hairbrush?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna finish getting ready, y'all. Okay. Let me do my hair and then we'll get ready and then we'll go. Maddie, bring my hairbrush back when you're done.
Okay.
I don't have another one. Bring it to me. Are you done with it?
Huh?
Are you done with it?
Yeah, I just had to brush up the ends of my hair.
I think someone got a freaking Mufasa over here.
Come on a little bit.
Go on a little bit. Go with Sissy. Maddie! Where is it?
Where's what?
Oh my god, it's in my eye. It's burning. It's burning. I look like Casper.
Oh, where's the camera?
Yeah.
Right there.
Alright, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna get her back. I'm gonna get her back, y'all.
I got her good that time, cause now when she did it, I guess she had like one like that, like right here, and it got in her eye, and I feel kind of bad, but she was laughing about it, so I don't think she's mad. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and turn the post notifications on to get notifications anytime we post. Bye guys. Bye guys.